In this video, we are doing something called the traveling shadow. We'll show you what it looks like and then give you a few tips.
It starts with the crossed hands. So we're gonna rock back.
1 and 2, we're gonna go 3 and 4. We're gonna do forward side back, then he rocks me back. 1 and 3 and that'd be 3 and 4. We're gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Another forward side back.
4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, then 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So we're going to break that down facing you. He takes me here. He has a 2-hand hold here.
Okay.
If you can
Left's on top. Okay, first order of business is I have 2 left rocks back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That is going to change my footwork to the same as the lady. So we'll be stepping on the same exact feet instead of opposite feet.
So it starts
That first part looks like this.
1 and
I
2,
repeat that.
3 and 4.
So 4 is forward. Now from here, I'm going to go forward, side, back. Take her with me in a kind of a vine pattern. Forward, side, back. Now we're like this. She's shifted from my right to my left side.
Okay, so we're going to do it from this direction. So we end up, here we go.
Okay, on crossed hands. Rock back.
1 and 2,
Rock back again.
3 and 4.
Now it's
Forward,
forward.
side, back.
Now from here, my goal is to take the lady from that side of me to this side of me. And the way she does it, she's going to do a little inside turn. We're both going to rock back.
Now this is going to be my 3 and 4. So I'm going to go
Left foot for both of us.
3 and 4.
Notice she's partway across. From here, my right hand's going to go up and over. I'll let go of the left and get her into right side, sweetheart. Step, step, step down. Now, as we have arrived here, we're going to rock back and do that vine step again. 1 and 2, we go forward, side, back. We duplicate what we just did on the other side. Both rock back, I step her 7. She starts across. There we go. I raise this hand, 3 and 4. Or 1 and 2, there we go.
Okay, so we're going to do it again. We'll face this way, so we can, and then we'll end it that way. So
So
we're
we'll
going to
do that much.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2. Here's 3 and 4. Notice he had me cross over. I'm going to do 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We're going to go 3 and 4.
Another
1
forward side,
and
back.
2, 3
I
and 4.
cross her over.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're
Tap.
done. So this is, we're going out right here. So you
So
tap.
I just tapped. I sent her out.
I was just here. I'm going to go 3 and 4. He's going to take me out. 3 and 4.
Now I'm going to do back with my left again. I'm going to lead a pivot turn with a hand change. 1 and hand change. 2, 3 and
4.
pick her up.
And then do a left hand turn after that. So we're going to teach it again next week. So maybe we can break it down.
That's a rough outline of what happened on that one.
Okay. Thanks a lot.